Traders, welcome back to another Relentless video. Guys, this is actually going to be our second reaction video on this channel, so be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you are a new viewer, consider subscribing as you watch the video and the rest of the content here on the channel. Guys, the team house, 5 traders, 1 house, what an experience it was. Now, I did not do a lot of recording. I thought the time would have been best spent getting to know the other guys. And so I want to say next time, the next trip, there will be a very special vlog. But with that being said, we still got some content and we'll be doing a reaction to it here today. Guys, let's jump into the video. Here we go. Woo, 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 woo. Look at those cribs, baby. $1 million.
I get scared sometimes when I'm in the house. When I first get up, I have to watch what I do.
Bruh.
And,
Hey, one day, soon, the house is gonna be a mansion. One thing I noticed from the other guys is that once that bell rings, everyone is dialed. Everyone is focused. You know, you can hear a pin drop at times. Of course, I was doing the live stream, but, you know, besides that, everyone is locked in, man. No games, no getting up and moving around and looking away and doing anything else. Trading is in session, and it's only trading. You're in this sanctuary, this space, this temple, if you want to call it, right? However you want to refer to it, right? This serene place. You know, your screens, your monitors, everything, and it's go time. We got crispy trades in the building. Just absolutely nuts, man. Marco, what's up, man?
Literally breaking into the day.
Yeah, slow day.
Oh, what's up, everybody? We're live and we're on the road.
Oh my god, oh my god. This edit is I mean, it's pretty it's kind of funny. Oh my gosh.
We're live and we're on the road.
Ooh. Kitty with the edits, man. Kitty with the edits. Crispy was driving a Benz 2014. I can't remember if it's E or C class, but man, that back seat was tight. That back seat was tight, man. But you know,
we're live and we're on the road.
Relentless driving, man. Well, crispy driving, I should say. Relentless driving. Now this is New York. Man, if you are ever in New York, you gotta go visit the World Trade Center. One World Trade. It's an absolutely beautiful building. When you talk about architecture, man, lovely. They got the 9/11 memorial down at the bottom. Nice trees. They did a really good job, you know, decorating that area and having it look really nice. And during Christmas, they wrap all the the holidays rather, they wrap all of the trees, I think, in lights, and it's really nice, man. You know, this is very close to the Hudson. The Hudson is actually, you know, almost just a couple steps out of the building, and so it's a nice walkway there. You know, if you guys are ever in New York City, or if you're living here in the area and you haven't went already, be sure to check it out, man. It is a beautiful view. The phone doesn't do it any justice here. You got to see it with your own eyes. Right now we are in New York City. Man, take a look at the views. Absolutely incredible. I'm a handsome young man. That's all I'm gonna say. Ridiculous, man. Traders. Right now, we're at World Trade, man. I'm with the big mighty.
This is crazy, guys. Crazy experience.
Crazy experience, man, and the views are ridiculous, bro. Y'all gotta come out here if you're ever in New York.
We got some of the traders in the Discord back there.
Calamari, Marco, Crispy. The views, man. Oh. By the way, for a little bit of background on these guys, if you're not in Discord, make sure to check out our Discord. If you're not familiar with what Discord is, it's a free chat room, right? I have a link down below. You guys can check it out. And these guys are in there every day, engaging, talking. You got Mighty Trader here, Mighty Stocks. A lot of you guys will probably be familiar with him already. You guys can also check out his channel, right? Some of these guys are on YouTube. Crispy's also on YouTube. You guys can find these guys in the Discord. Talk to them, right? Actually in the Discord. Ask them questions, all sorts of crazy things. Calamity, also in Discord. Another solid guy, right? Solid trader. We got Marco in the Discord. These guys are some really great guys. Be sure to join, check it out, hang out with us, because ultimately we want to be doing bigger meetups soon. You know, we'll do some more in-person meetups with a few people here and there, and then, you know, can we maybe rent out an entire resort and have 50 traders? You know, the networking will be tremendous. Here we go. Crispy. The views, man. Oh man. Crispy.
Yo, what's up? Hey everyone, Crispy Trade. Today is September 26th. Today I'm down $700 in the day. The liquidity was basically non-existent.
Marco, Calamari, the big calamities in the building, man.
Yo, high on stocks, where you at?
I was able to turn 28.5 thousand into 1.2 million.
Guys, High on Stocks, also check him out. He's also another member in the Discord. Millionaire trader, man. So the Discord is jumping right now, popping off. When we go to Florida, we'll definitely check out High on Stocks, pre-market trader as well from the Discord. Those are all people who we would love to meet one day.
Corner. Oh yeah, I'm about to turn it. The turn has been turned. Fucking hell.
Mighty's turning the corner with full force, full speed. Oh man.
Whoa, hey!
If you're gonna go to try and take a picture with the bull, it's best to go on weekdays and early, because if you're going on the weekends, there's always gonna be a long line, and that line was just too long, man, too long. You know what's interesting about this trip, man, is that I'm not the biggest trader here. These guys are pushing hundreds of thousands of dollars, man, and so, you know, shopping with some millionaires, man. These guys are absolutely nuts. 5 traders, 1 house.
Whoa!
We're in for a week. We gotta be eating healthy, man. Gains, you know, gains.
Gains, baby.
Right now we holding it down. Traders. That was so dead, man. That was so dead. Traders. Yeah.
What's up?
Right now we at BJ's doing some shopping, man. Boys are in town. Crispy's buying everything, man. Crispy's going nuts. Day trader money. Day trading lifestyle.
Work hard, play hard.
You know, the thing is about this, like the trip, right? You know, I'll have a video that'll come out later today talking really about the mindset of it all. But even shopping with these guys, you know, you're going for groceries. You know, usually for me, it's always been, okay, let me check and compare this one to that one. Which one is better in price? No. You know, and it kind of opens up your mind to what it's supposed to be. You know, this water or that water. Which water makes the most sense? Which one is cheaper? Nah. whichever brand I prefer, no matter the price, that's what I'm going for. If I want organic, it doesn't matter. And so, buying whatever you want to buy, when you want to buy it, how you want to buy it, throwing it into the cart, just dashing it into the cart, you know. Just and that's just one aspect of it. Wise words.
Basically non-existent.
Hey! Traders, welcome to the kitchen. Mighty, Calamity, Marco. All that cutting, man. That was a good edit right there. I like it. Tortillas. Yes. The seasoning is looking right. Taco Tuesday, man. Yes. The game. Let's talk about the skills here, man. Who's who in the kitchen? Mighty was the lead chef today, or this day, rather. Calamity, really good technique. Massaging the seasoning into the chicken. Really good stuff. Onion powder, everything. Garlic powder, whatever else we had there. This ended up tasting pretty good, man. Chicken tortillas, everything was done well. Flavorful. Very good stuff, man. Props to the guys.
Nothing better after a such a slow day in the market. Some good food with the boys.
Yes, sir. We got the crispy trader in the corner.
I'm on the scanners right now.
The guy's big green plus $500 today. Not bad at all, man. Oh yeah. Celsius, milk, OJ, apples, lots of eggs, and of course, you gotta have some champagne, man. We got some blue. I actually had some of you guys will know that I used to do promotions, right? Events. And so I had a case of champagne in my trunk. We definitely finished it. These bottles, it's robbery though. These bottles, they don't really hold a lot of liquid. Blue Bel Air, yes. Five Blue Bel Airs and one Moet Rosé. I think the Imperial one. Nectar Imperial, I think. Yeah. A little bit of everything, man. This is like the ideal college fridge. Carrots. Funny enough that we ate out a lot too, and we didn't even finish this food, you know. I had to end up taking some of it back to my house. I think Crispy took some of it back to his house. The other guys had to fly out, of course, so they couldn't take anything. But we didn't even finish this, ordering out so much. So if you're in college, this is how your fridge is looking. We need some females in this house, man. Kitty, edit that out. Nope. Marco on the grill, the first chicken breast. Kitty is full savage. It's funny because, you know, I actually had my girlfriend come in and she cooked us a full-on meal. I believe this was like the next day or the next 2-3 days. Man, you know, as I said, the next one, I'll definitely vlog a lot more. But she did, I believe, baked potatoes, macaroni pie, baked macaroni, baked barbecue chicken, and what was it, asparagus, and I believe some other things as well. I can't remember everything, but yeah, beauty. What a meal. Next go around, if we do something in Jersey, man, I'm gonna get the guys some Caribbean style food, man. The fried rice and that type of stuff. We'll see. I think they'll like it. Beautiful. Perfect technique of laying the chicken away so the oil doesn't spill. Boy, not good technique on that one. The technique, man. You gotta lay the chicken away so the oil doesn't fly up into your face, you know. They're gonna say I'm a poor cameraman. I'm not watching it from the lens. In the Airbnb, man, oh man, millionaire status.
Don't worry about that one. Don't show that one. Oh no, we're good. We're good.
You know, we gotta be transparent, man. We gotta show all the
Oh
red,
shit, another one, yo.
all the green, everything in between, man. Impressive numbers, bro.
We gotta work hard, play hard.
Listen to this right here. I think this is a really good point. People know, bro. Millionaire status. How does it feel?
Feels natural. It's
Oh,
all
man,
natural.
you see?
It's from the heart.
That's greatness right there. Greatness. feels natural. I think that's a winner's mindset right there. You know, how does it feel to be green on a given day? How does it feel to be doing having a good month? It's like we want to normalize this, and I said this in a video that I put out a few weeks ago, a few months ago. We got to normalize winning, and make it second nature. Being green in the market every day, second nature. Can we do it in our sleeps? In our sleep, right? If we can get it to that point where it's just instincts, where we're doing it, we're not even realizing, but we're doing it. Sometimes you'll drive all the way home. Before you know it, you don't even remember to drive. You just know that you're home, safe and sound. You might not remember every single setup you took, but at the end of the day, it's a solid green day. You traded very well. You were disciplined. You managed your risk. It needs to be like breathing. You're sleeping and you're breathing. Your heart is still pumping. These things that you don't have to think about, but your body's just doing it. So we got to make it, natural.
Getting dialed in. 10K.
10K buying right here.
That's
$1,000 chips. $1,000 chips.
El Pastor, El Pastor.
I actually learned how to play some poker on this trip. For me, poker wasn't really a thing, but Mighty and Crispy were pretty big on this, and it was pretty fun, man. It was a good time, learning something new every day. This was a really fun game to play. The guy has compared it to trading a lot. For me, I see a lot of, I told them I feel like a lot of it is similar in some ways, but ultimately, some of you guys might not like this, but I believe it's gambling. Only because trading on the greater scheme, on the macro, there are companies, and these companies are tangible companies. Now, you can make trading gambling, right? But at the end of the day, it's tangible, right? I'm buying a part ownership of a business, something that's real, something that's providing a service, something that's, have sales and providing a service or a product or something. And so there is something tangible. This cup, this everything, this zapper, right? There's a company that have employees, there's a role, there's a structure. And so trading can be gambling, yes, if you're buying companies randomly without any sort of fundamental or technical analysis. Whilst I feel like poker is just not the same level of structure. But a lot of the smaller concepts could be applied when you talk about, maybe some sort of strategy, right? But I feel like ultimately there's just too much chance when it comes to poker, man. I just can't see it as like how I see trading, But that's a story for a whole nother day, and maybe that's an entire video in itself that I can do at some point. But here we go. Let's keep it going.
See that? Well, all I did was unscrew it, God damn, yeah. Thank God I was holding it. Yeah, dude.
Those champagnes, man, you can when you unscrew them, the top flies off. Yeah, guys, be sure to check out the Mighty Stock Traders channel. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. As I said, next time we're gonna do a full-on video, a full-on vlog, and we'll be much more prepared. Better content to come. Guys, stay tuned. If you did enjoy, hit that thumbs up button. And of course, if you are a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. It's been Relentless Trader, and I am, of course, signing out.